Hi everyone, imagine a machine running all day without being turned off. Eventually, it overheats, slow down, and finally stop working. In many ways, what happens to the human body and mind when we don't get enough sleep. Is not just a time of rest; it is vital process that keeps us healthy, focused, and ready to meet the challenges of each day. Getting adequate sleep is essential for college students because it strengthens mental health, improve academic performance, and support physical well-being. Let us begin with mental health. One of the most important aspects of the student life. Sleep and mental health are deeply connected. Lack of sleep makes stress levels rise and increase the risk of anxiety and depression. The Journal of Adolescent Health reported that poor sleep quality was one of the strongest predictors of depressive symptoms among college students. This means that even if students do everything else right, attend classes, eat well, and stay active, lack of sleep alone can harm their emotional stability. When we sleep, the brain regulates mood by organizing through and calming emotional responses. Without that process, emotions can become exaggerated and small challenges can feel overwhelming. Getting sufficient sleep allows the brain to recharge and give us the mental resilience to deal with everyday stress. Transitioning from mental health, let's consider the role of sleep in academic performance. For students, success is often the top priority, and the sleep directly affects it. During rest, the brain consolidates memories, transferring that we have what we have learned into long term storage. A study published in Nature Neuroscience found that the students who sleep after studying scored much higher on memory tests than students who stay awake. This shows that sleep is not wasted study time, it is part of the learning process itself. In fact, researchers explain that sleep lock in new information, making it easier to recall during exam or assignments. Additionally, sleep enhance focus, problem solving, and creativity. These are not optional skills but the essential ones. For example, students who are deprived often struggle to stay attentive during lecture, even in the material is important. On the other hand, well rested students are more likely to follow lesson, ask questions, and engage in critical thinking. Some universities that have studied students' performance found that those who regularly slept at least 7 hours scored higher in GPA than those who averaged fewer hours. Academic success depends not only on how much time is spent studying, but is also on whether the brain is rested enough to process information effectively. Now, let us turn to the physical benefits of sleep, which are equally important. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention report that insufficient sleep is like to serious long-term problems such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. For college students, this condition may seem distant, but effects of sleep loss show up quickly in other ways. Students who are sleep deprived often report more frequent colds, headache, and low energy. A weakened immune system makes it easier to get sick, which can mean missing classes or falling behind an assignment. On the other hand, students who get consistent rest experience better overall energy and performance. Their bodies recover more quickly from daily activities and their immune system are stronger. Sleep also helps regulate metabolism and hormones, which means that maintaining a healthy weight and lifestyle is much easier when we rest enough. Even athletic performance improve with the proper sleep Reaction time are faster, focus in sharper, and in endurance is greater in short.